I spent thousands renovating my bathroom, only to end up with a shallow tub that chilled my bathwater in 10 minutes. My back ached, and my relaxing escape was ruined. Buying a soaking tub online is a minefield of misleading dimensions and flimsy acrylics. You want a spa experience, not buyer's remorse. That is why I spent months testing the market's most popular soaking tubs to find the ones actually worth your money. Stick around to see which tub completely transformed my evening routine and which ones you should avoid at all costs. 7. Vanity Art. When I first ordered this one, I was drawn in by its modern, minimalist curves and the promise of a sleek, UPC-certified acrylic build. Setting it up in the testing space, the glossy white finish definitely catches the eye and gives off that luxury hotel vibe right out of the box. It features a flexible drain hose and slotted overflow, which initially seemed like convenient additions for a quick installation process. Stepping into the Vanity Art for the first time, I wanted to experience that deep, immersive soak it advertises. The generous dimensions look accommodating on paper, and the chrome pop-up drain is positioned to stay out of your way while you sit back. I filled it to the brim with hot water, expecting a long, uninterrupted evening of relaxation to ease my tired muscles after a long day of studio work. However, the reality of my testing experience fell surprisingly short of my expectations. While the flexible drain hose seemed handy during setup, I quickly realized it feels incredibly flimsy, and I spent the entire bath worrying about potential leaks beneath the floorboards. The acrylic construction, although pretty, feels dangerously thin. When I shifted my weight, I could actually hear and feel the tub flexing beneath me, which completely shattered any illusion of a premium, secure bathing experience. Furthermore, the heat retention is practically non-existent. Within 15 minutes, my perfectly hot bath had turned lukewarm, forcing me to constantly drain and refill with hot water just to stay comfortable. The backrest angle also feels unnervingly straight, offering very little lumbar support for extended sessions. 6. Aqua Eden VD603121L. I had high hopes for this Alcove-style tub, especially given the reputation of the Kingston Brass brand for producing classic, durable bathroom fixtures. I installed this solid, rectangular tub into a standard 3-wall alcove setup to see how it handled daily use. It boasts a solid acrylic construction reinforced with fiberglass, which is supposed to offer a sturdy alternative to traditional, heavy cast iron models. During my initial test runs, the left-hand drain placement worked perfectly with my existing plumbing, and the built-in apron front gave the installation a clean, finished look without needing extra tiling work. The tub offers a decent water capacity, and I utilized it primarily for quick evening soaks where I needed to simply wash off the day's stress. The textured slip-resistant floor is a nice touch, giving me a sense of security when stepping in and out with wet feet. Despite these practical features, my extended testing revealed some frustrating design choices that are hard to ignore. The soaking depth is incredibly shallow for something marketed as a soaking tub. I found the water level barely reached my waist, leaving my entire upper body exposed to the cold bathroom air. If you're a taller individual, or even of average height, you will find it nearly impossible to fully submerge yourself and get that authentic, deep soak feeling you're likely paying for. Additionally, the finish of the Aqua Eden showed early signs of wear during my trial period. The glossy surface, while initially attractive, seemed highly susceptible to micro scratches from standard, non-abrasive bath cleaners. I also noticed that the fiberglass reinforcement didn't prevent a slight hollow sound when water hit the bottom of the basin, making the whole setup feel surprisingly cheap. 5. OVE Decors Skylar. The moment we unboxed this beauty in the testing studio, the atmosphere of the room changed. It features a striking, contemporary oval silhouette that immediately elevates the aesthetic of any bathroom space. Made from premium, high-gloss white acrylic, the Skylar comes complete with a pre-installed chrome pop-up drain and overflow, which made the plumbing integration remarkably smooth and headache-free. I spent several evenings testing the Skylar, and it truly shines when it comes to ergonomic design. The gently sloping backrests on both ends mean you can comfortably sit facing either direction or even share the space if you desire. I use this tub extensively with rich bath oils and bath bombs, and the smooth, non-porous acrylic surface proved incredibly easy to wipe down afterward, never holding on to stubborn stains or greasy residues. What really stood out during my hands-on time was the structural integrity of the tub. Thanks to the reinforced fiberglass hidden beneath the sleek exterior, it feels exceptionally grounded and solid underfoot. There is no flexing or creaking when you step inside, providing a deeply reassuring sense of quality. The water capacity is generous, allowing for a deep, enveloping soak that covers your shoulders, making it a fantastic sanctuary for muscle recovery after an intense workout. Heat retention in the Skylar is notably better than the previous entries on this list. I found that my bathwater stayed pleasantly warm for a full 45 minutes, allowing me to dive into a good book without the distraction of cooling tub. While it has a slightly larger footprint that might demand a more spacious bathroom, the luxurious soaking experience it delivers makes it a highly worthwhile upgrade for those looking to bring a spa-like tranquility into their daily lives. 4. American Standard Cadet. American Standard is a legacy name in plumbing, and I was eager to put this elegantly styled tub through its paces. The Cadet features a beautifully transitional design that effortlessly bridges the gap between classic and modern aesthetics. Its smooth, high-gloss acrylic construction is reinforced with fiberglass and includes a sleek tub filler and hand shower combo directly in the package, which is a massive value add for anyone doing a full bathroom remodel. My testing experience with the Cadet was exceptionally relaxing. The extra deep bathing well offers one of the most immersive soaking experiences I have encountered in this price bracket. I loved using the included hand shower for rinsing off after a long soak, a feature that adds an immense amount of practical utility to the freestanding design. The sloped lumbar support felt like it was custom molded to my back, allowing me to recline comfortably without constantly shifting to find a better angle. One of the most impressive aspects of the Cadet during my evaluation was its brilliant use of space. Despite offering an incredibly deep and spacious interior, the footprint of the tub is surprisingly compact. It fit perfectly into a smaller testing bathroom without making the space feel cramped or overwhelmed. The seamless, one-piece design not only looks flawless, but also eliminates those annoying crevices where dirt and mildew tend to hide, making my weekly cleaning routine an absolute breeze. Furthermore, the heat insulation on the American Standard Cadet is spectacular. The thick acrylic walls actively trap the heat, keeping my water steaming hot for nearly an hour. I found myself actually having to step out of the tub before the water even began to cool. 3. Empava 67. When I brought the Empava into our testing facility, its sheer size and striking, asymmetrical slipper design commanded immediate attention. This tub is an absolute showstopper, crafted from solid glossy white acrylic and reinforced with a rugged stainless steel frame beneath the surface. It comes equipped with a brushed nickel overflow and drain, adding a touch of sophisticated contrast to the pristine white basin. Slipping into the Empava 67 for my test soak felt like a royal indulgence. The raised slipper end is intentionally designed to support the natural curve of your spine and neck, providing the ultimate lounge position. I used this tub specifically for my longest, most luxurious Sunday evening soaking sessions, complete with Epsom salts and essential oils. The sheer length of the tub allowed me to fully stretch out my legs, something taller users will immensely appreciate after years of feeling cramped in standard-sized tubs. The build quality I experienced during testing is phenomenal. The hidden stainless steel frame with adjustable bearing feet made leveling the tub on an uneven tile floor incredibly simple and secure. Once settled, the tub felt as solid as a rock. The double-walled acrylic construction acts as an incredible thermal insulator. During my trials, I was amazed to find that the water temperature remained consistently hot, extending my bathing time significantly without the need to top off with warm water from the faucet. Beyond its structural brilliance, the Empava is remarkably resilient to daily wear and tear. After weeks of continuous testing with various bath products, the surface retained its brilliant, mirror-like shine and resisted any scratching or discoloration. It provides a world-class, deep-soaking environment that cradles the body perfectly. 2. Town Square S. This tub is a masterclass in architectural design, inspired by classic American styling with elegant crown molding details at the base. Installing this in my test space instantly transformed a generic bathroom into a high-end, luxury suite. It boasts a massive 68 by 36-inch footprint and features a center drain with an integrated straight overflow, ensuring a seamless and visually stunning interior basin. My time testing the Town Square S was nothing short of extraordinary. The center drain placement is a game changer, allowing two people to comfortably share the tub without anyone awkwardly sitting on a drain stopper. The internal depth is immense, allowing the water to rise all the way to my chin when fully reclined. I spend hours utilizing this tub for intense muscle relaxation therapy, finding that the wide, flat rim provided the perfect resting place for my arms, a glass of wine, or a neatly folded towel. What truly sets this tub apart in my hands-on evaluation is its unmatched stability and premium feel. It is constructed from high-quality, high-gloss acrylic with fiberglass reinforcement, but it feels as dense and permanent as cast iron, without the back-breaking weight. The integrated overflow is not just an aesthetic win. It allowed the water level to safely rise inches higher than traditional tubs I have tested, resulting in a true, full-body submersion that melts away physical tension and mental fatigue. Heat retention here is bordering on magical. The thick, insulating walls kept my bathwater at an optimal, soothing temperature for well over an hour, allowing me to completely lose track of time. The Town Square S represents the pinnacle of traditional elegance combined with modern bathing technology. 1. WOODBRIDGE B0034. From the second this masterpiece arrived for testing, I knew it was something special. It features a stunning, contemporary slipper design that looks like a piece of modern art. Built with premium lucite acrylic and fortified with ashland resin and fiberglass, this tub is an engineering marvel. It arrives with a beautifully finished chrome drain and overflow, complete with a hidden, adjustable stainless steel bracket system for flawless leveling. The soaking experience in the WOODBRIDGE B0034 is simply unparalleled. Stepping inside, the gently sloping lines contour perfectly to the human body. I tested this tub daily, using it as my ultimate retreat from the world. The high backrest provided flawless support for my head and neck, allowing me to drift into a state of total relaxation. The sheer volume of water it holds creates a weightless, buoyant sensation that instantly relieves joint pressure and completely revitalizes the body. During my rigorous testing process, the durability and hygiene features of this tub blew me away. The lucite acrylic is naturally slip-resistant and incredibly hygienic, actively resisting the buildup of bacteria and mildew. Even after extensive use with colorful bath bombs and thick bath milks, a simple rinse left the basin absolutely spotless. The structural rigidity is flawless. It remains completely silent and immovable when you step in, giving you the absolute confidence that you are bathing in a premium, lifetime quality product. The crowning achievement of the WOODBRIDGE B0034 is its double-walled thermal insulation. It outperformed every other tub on this list, keeping my bathwater piping hot for over an hour and a half without a single drop of new hot water added. Ultra. That's all for today.